Hello students, in the previous class we have started with image restoration and reconstruction. In that we have discussed a model of image degradation and restoration process, and also noise models, some of the important noise probability density function like Gaussian noise, relay noise, gamma noise, exponential noise, uniform noise, impulse, that is salt and pepper noise. Now today's class, let us discuss the periodic noise. Periodic noise in an image arises basically due to electrical or electromechanical interferences during image acquisition. This periodic noise can be reduced using frequency domain filtering. For example, consider the image shown here. This image is the first image, whatever the first image is there, this image is severely corrupted by spatial sinusoidal noise of various frequencies. The Fourier transform of the pure sinusoidal is a pair of complex conjugates located at the conjugate frequency of the sine wave. So as shown here, thus if the amplitude of the sinusoidal waves, in this case if this amplitude of the sinusoidal waves is strong, then we can see the spectrum of the image as a pair of impulse for sinusoidal waves. This is indeed the impulse appears in the approximate circular, because the frequency values in this particular case are so arranged. You can see a circular form here dots here, you can see here, here. So it is in a circular form. So now let us see how to estimate these noise parameters. The parameters of the periodic noise are estimated by inspection of the Fourier spectrum of the image. The periodic noise tends to produce frequency spikes that often can be detected even by just visual analysis. Another approach is to attempt to interfere the periodicity of the noise component directly from the image, but this is possible only if the in simple cases. Automated analysis is also possible in situations where the noise spikes are either already have the knowledge of the noise in general about the noise and the frequency component, and also the location of the frequency components of the interference. Now let us see the restoration in the presence of noise only, that too in the spatial filtering, using spatial filtering. When only noise, let us assume that the only noise is present, then the equation will become, degradation function will be not there. So here the equation will be g of x is equal to f of x plus eta x. In the frequency domain, the signal will be g of u is equal to f of g of u comma v is equal to f of u comma v plus n of u comma v. The noise term are unknown, so just by subtracting them from g of x comma y or g of u comma v is not a realistic option. So in this case, the periodic noise is usually possible to estimate n of u comma from the spectrum of g of u comma v. So in this case, n of u comma v can be subtracted from g of u comma v to obtain an estimate of what is the original image just by subtracting. However, this type of knowledge is exception rather than it is a expectation, rather than it is a rule. Now let us discuss the mean filter. So we have a restoration of the noise only, degradation. We have mean filter. In mean filters we have arithmetic mean filter, geometric mean filters, harmonic mean filter, contra harmonic mean filters, and other statistical filters like median filter, max mean filter, midpoint filter, alpha trimmed mean filter. Now let us see one by one. Arithmetic mean filter. If you see the arithmetic mean filter, this is the simplest of all the filters. If you assume let S of x comma y represent the set of the coordinates in the rectangular sub image, or the window of the size n by n centered at the point x comma y. The arithmetic mean filter components the average value of the corrupted image g of x comma y in the area defined S of x comma y, the value of the restored image f cap of x comma y at the point x comma y is simply the arithmetic component using the pixels, and which is given by f cap of x comma y is you are just taking the corrupted image in the field x of a average value. This operation can be implemented using a spatial filter of the size m by n, in which all the coefficients have the value 1 by m into n. A mean filter smooths local variations in an image, and noise is reduced as a result of blurring. This filter causes certain amount of blurring in the image because of the filtering. Proportional to the size of the window, the more the size of the window, the more the blurriness will be to the image, thereby reducing the effect of noise. Can be used to reduce the noise of different types, but works best for the Gaussian noise and also for gamma noise. Now second filter is in mean filters, geometric filter. An image restored using geometric filter is given by the expression where pi is nothing but multiplication of all the values. Here f cap of x comma y is pi of s of xy g of s comma t whole raised to 1 by whole raised to m. Here each restored pixel is given by the product of the pixels in the sub image window raised to the power 1 by m into n. A geometric mean filter achieves smoothing compared to the arithmetic filter, but it tends to lose less image details in the process. Harmonic mean filter operation is given by the expression f cap of x comma y is equal to m by n summation s of x 1 by gs of t. The harmonic mean filter works well for the salt noise but fails for the pepper noise. It does not. This filters better works very good with the Gaussian noise. Now let us see the next mean filter. Contra-harmonic filter. The contra-harmonic filter restored image is based on the expression f cap of x comma y is equal to summation s of s comma t g raised to q plus 1 divided by summation q g raised to q, where q is called the order of the filter. This filter is suited for reducing or virtually eliminating the effect of salt and pepper noise. For positive value of q, that is nothing but q greater than 0. If we take the value q value greater than 0, this filter eliminates pepper noise. For q a negative value, that is q less than 0, it eliminates salt noise. It cannot do both simultaneously, removing a salt noise and a pepper noise. Basically, it cannot do simultaneously at a time, one at a time. Contra-harmonic filter reduces to the arithmetic filter if q is equal to 0. If q equal to 0, then it becomes a arithmetic filter, where for q is equal to -1, this filter becomes harmonic mean filter. This cannot remember, basically this filter uh, is used to reduce salt and pepper noise, where for q greater than 0 it eliminates pepper noise, for q less than 0 it eliminates salt noise, but it cannot eliminate both the noise, salt and pepper noise, simultaneously or at a time. For q is equal to 0, it reduces to arithmetic mean filter. For q is equal to -1, it reduces to harmonic filter.